everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new around here, my name is Sarah. I'm excited to have you. Just to let you know a little bit more about me, I am actually a mommy to 5 and I stay at home during the day. And my family has actually been recovering the past few weeks from a mean, nasty stomach virus that really just took its toll on us. So this is my first attempt at really cleaning the house post being sick. So it's going to be more of a simplistic, easy, just main floor clean sweep. I didn't have the energy to really do a lot yet, but I did need to sanitize a few places, wipe down the kitchen, get the main spaces reset. So I did as much as I could this day before having to sit down and relax. But with all of that being said, we're going to jump right into the video. Right now I am just deep cleaning my kitchen with the Thieves multi-purpose cleaner. I talk about it a lot. It's one of my favorite cleaners. I love the smell of it and I love the natural sanitizing qualities of it. Then I'm going to move on to dishes and finish up the kitchen.
I've been thinking about the way my life turned out, how nothing's really gone the way I planned, how each blind curve, each twist and turn brought me where I am now. And looking back, I wouldn't trade them in. I had an image of the life in front of me, and how I was gonna build it on my own. But if I never lost the picture in my mind of who I'd be, I'd never get to see who I'd become. Oh, the world is full of extraordinary things. Somehow I never imagined a holiday at sea. I've been settling for mud pies and microscopic dreams, but you want more from me.
Now that the kitchen area is cleaned, I'm going to go ahead and head into my hall bathroom. This bathroom's right outside my kitchen and it gets a lot of use on the daily. So I wanted to go ahead and just give this one a quick wipe down and sanitize. I am using my Thieves Cleaner once again, but I also went through all of the house and used my Lysol spray on all the handles and doorknobs, etc., just to try to kill the germs. I love natural cleaners, but when sickness is around, I pull out the Lysol.
Hear the song in my head, it's playing over and over and waiting out back. My heart's about to attack. I see you.
Trick or treat. You want a treat? I got some Oreos. Do you like those?
Yeah, I do. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
speaking, but I know your secret, racing to nowhere.
We are now heading into my main living space right outside of my kitchen. This is the living room where we do life on the day-to-day. So this room kind of gets like messed up quite a bit. So I wanted to go ahead and just kind of like give it a quick little clean sweep, get the couches reset, get the toys picked up. The table had gotten some gunk on it. I feel like maybe it was toothpaste because my 5-year-old likes to brush his teeth in here in the morning. So I needed to just kind of like wipe that down and get that taken care of.
In the pocket, your father's dinner jacket. You stole the keys to the car, and we started running. The wind at our back, our hearts about to attack.
So the last task I'm going to tackle for this quick little reset is just a load of laundry. Laundry in my house is never ending, and like I had stated in a previous video, while I was sick, I was able to stay on top of laundry, but there's always more to be done. So I'm going to take this time now to just go ahead and fold this load. That way my daughter can go put this away. As you can see, I have my little 1-year-old helper per usual. He's a huge help, y'all, let me just tell you. But I want to go ahead and say thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked what you saw, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I'm going to go ahead and link a couple of other cleaning videos right here. So if you want to click on those, you can check them out. I try to post cleaning motivation at least once a week, generally on Tuesday, and my normal posting schedule is Tuesday and Thursdays. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.
Fireworks fade, they fall.